Hey, everyone! Welcome to Financial Works, the channel where we help you achieve your financial goals and live your best life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online selling your knowledge in 2024, even if you have no formal qualifications or credentials. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it is. In fact, millions of people around the world are making money online by sharing their knowledge with others who need it. And you can do it too, with just a few simple steps. But before we dive into that, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Alright, let's get started. So, what do I mean by selling your knowledge online? Well, I'm talking about using your existing knowledge, whether it's academic, professional, or personal, to provide value to other people and get paid for it. For example, if you have a lot of knowledge about gardening, you can sell your gardening tips and advice to people who want to grow their own plants. If you have a lot of knowledge about photography, you can sell your photography skills and techniques to people who want to take better pictures. If you have a lot of knowledge about cooking, you can sell your cooking recipes and tutorials to people who want to learn new dishes. And the list goes on and on. You might be wondering, how do I find these people who need my knowledge? Well, there are many platforms online where you can showcase your knowledge and find people who are willing to pay for it. Some of the most popular ones are Just Answer, Experts 123, and Clarity.fm. These are called question and answer platforms, where you can answer questions from people who need your expertise and charge them a fee for your service. You can also use platforms like Substack, Medium, or Quora to create and monetize newsletters, blogs, or answers based on your knowledge. These are called content creation platforms, where you can publish your own content, build your own audience, and earn money from subscriptions, ads, or tips. Now, you might be wondering, what are the pros and cons of selling your knowledge online? Well, there are a lot of good things about it, but also some challenges that you need to be aware of. Let me tell you more about them. One of the best things about selling your knowledge online is that you can work from anywhere in the world, as long as you have a computer and an internet connection. You can travel, explore, or just stay at home, and still make money online. How cool is that? You don't have to worry about commuting, dressing up, or dealing with annoying coworkers. You can just do your thing, and enjoy your life. Another great thing about selling your knowledge online is that you can work on your own schedule, and choose how much or how little you want to work. You can be your own boss, and have more freedom and flexibility in your life. You can work when you feel like it, and take breaks when you need them. You can also adjust your workload according to your goals, needs, and preferences. You can work full-time, part-time, or just occasionally, depending on what suits you best. A third awesome thing about selling your knowledge online is that you can set your own prices, and charge what you think your knowledge is worth. You can earn more than you would in a regular job, or just make some extra cash on the side. You can also negotiate with your customers, and offer different packages, discounts, or bonuses, depending on the value and quality of your service. You can also increase your prices as you gain more experience, reputation, and demand. A fourth amazing thing about selling your knowledge online is that you can learn new knowledge, and improve your existing ones, by doing research, reading books, or taking courses. You can always keep up with the latest trends and developments, and never stop growing and learning. You can also expand your knowledge base, and offer more services, or create more products, based on your new skills. You can also use your knowledge to help others, and make a positive impact on the world. A fifth incredible thing about selling your knowledge online is that you can build your own reputation, and grow your own network, by sharing your knowledge, helping others, and getting feedback. You can establish yourself as an authority, expert, or influencer in your niche, and connect with your fans and followers. You can also get referrals, testimonials, and reviews from your satisfied customers, and attract more customers, and more opportunities, to your business. You can also collaborate with other experts, and create partnerships, or joint ventures, to grow your business even more. But, of course, selling your knowledge online is not all sunshine and rainbows. There are also some challenges that you need to be aware of, and overcome, if you want to succeed. Let me tell you more about them. One of the biggest challenges of selling your knowledge online is that you have to deal with competition, and stand out from the crowd by creating a unique and valuable proposition and delivering high-quality service. You have to show your potential customers why they should choose you over others, and how you can solve their problems or meet their needs. You have to create a portfolio that showcases your best work and demonstrates your value to your potential customers. You also have to keep improving your skills and updating your portfolio to stay relevant and competitive. Another big challenge of selling your knowledge online is that you have to deal with customers and communicate effectively by setting clear expectations, meeting deadlines, and asking for reviews. You have to understand your customers' goals, challenges, and preferences, and deliver what they want, or even exceed their expectations. You have to be professional, polite, and respectful, and build trust and rapport with your customers. You also have to handle complaints, disputes, and refunds, if they arise, and resolve them in a positive and constructive way. A third big challenge of selling your knowledge online is that you have to deal with taxes and manage your finances by tracking your income and expenses and paying your taxes on time. You have to be responsible and organized and keep track of your money and your paperwork. You have to register your business and follow the rules and regulations of your country, state, or city. You also have to save some money for emergencies and invest some money for your future. A fourth big challenge of selling your knowledge online is that you have to deal with stress and maintain your mental health by finding a balance between work and life and staying motivated and positive. You have to avoid burnout, frustration, and boredom, and take care of yourself and your well-being. You have to set realistic goals and celebrate your achievements and reward yourself. You also have to take breaks and have fun and enjoy your hobbies and spend time with your friends and family. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. As always, thank you. We'll see you in the next video.